welcome back, 313 Squad. What it do? It's your girl 313 Retro Queen, and if this is your first time here on the channel, stay tuned. All kind of great stuff. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become part of the 313 Squad. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Also, I am not here to talk at you. I'm here to talk with you. So drop me a comment. Let me know what's going on with you. If you liking the videos, if you prefer something, if you want to see something different, all that. I like to chat with y'all. So, I'm not just here to talk at you. Like I said, I want to talk with you. Also, give this video a thumbs up so we can all let these people know where you tuning into and what squad you part of, baby. All right. Now, before we jump off into this this video, because I got a review for y'all. I do. I have a review. But I got some news, okay? It's my birthday Thursday. My birthday is October 15th on Thursday. So if you are following me on Instagram, Thursday, we are all 313 Squad. We all taking pictures in our Air Max 90s and using the hashtag 313 Squad. And I want you to add me in those photos at 313_retro_queen. We're going to do it big for my birthday. It's a celebration. So also, again, that's for October 15th, Thursday. Also on Thursday, I do a live. There will be no skipping of the live. I want to spend my birthday with you guys because you are so special to me. And I love, love, love y'all sticking with your girl and rocking with me. So we're going to come on and I'm giving everybody, I'm dropping a link in the chat. And if you want to jump on the live and chat it up with your girl, come on in, be in the chat, jump on the live with me, shoot me a happy birthday, you know what I'm saying? Maybe somebody get in there and sing me a happy birthday song or something. We're going to take some shots. We're going to have a good time. You know what I'm saying? We're going to kick it. We're going to have our own little B-Day party on the live on Thursday. Also, Who Has the Heat is this Saturday, baby. So make sure y'all tune into that because I'm going to be lit all month, the rest of this month. Because, like, for real, I'm one of them people that use the whole month as their birthday. Like, it's not just one day, okay? It's a celebration for the whole month, okay? So we're going to be doing everything, okay? I'm going to have reviews. I'm going to have what's coming up, what I want, what y'all want, all this stuff, okay? So it's going to be live this weekend. It's this weekend, this week is lit. I'm super excited. I don't know if y'all can tell by this big old smile I can't get rid of, but yeah, it's going to be fun. So with all that, I swear it's going to be more information coming. I'm going to hook y'all up so y'all know everything. So, I picked up something I do not normally pick up. And everybody know there are not many of these in the collection. I can't talk. I promise I can. But there are not very many of these in the collection. I have a LeBron here for you all. Yes, I do. I'm looking at this box. I like the box. I'm a grade school, so like I said, when it comes to Nike and Jordan brand and things like that, my boxes are pretty much the typical all black box with the Jumpman on the top. My two favorite LeBron silhouettes are the LeBron 7 and the LeBron 17. My first pair of 7s were the media days. Y'all can go back and check out that video where I was able to pick that up and didn't know how big they were. When I grabbed them, I just thought they were nice looking. But I was lucky enough to cop those. And today, I got my first pair of 17s. Now, if you know what the 16s look like, you know the 16s and the 17s look a lot alike. The only thing with the 16 that I didn't care for was the sole and how it had like 3 portions it looked like to it. I mean, it was one sole, but it was like on the side you could see the 3 like little circles or whatever on there. I don't know what you want to call it with the air bubble thingy about it. But on the 17, that is more of a solid one. I think there's only 2 on there if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember what I'm looking at. But this is the LeBron 17. Here's the box. Here's the box. Y'all see that? The all black box with the gold writing on the top. Yes, it is. What we have here, and actually I did notice that the LeBrons run a little bit smaller for me. So if y'all see right there, I went ahead and copped a size 5.5 because the 6 was just super big. So I don't know if it's because of the material, there's no leather on it. It stretches a little more. I'm not sure what it is, but the 5.5 in this 17 silhouette tends to fit me really, really great, and it's comfortable. And so on the box, we got LeBron 17 GS white, black, multicolor. Now, y'all know I'm all about my colors, right? So, of course, this is the pair I had to have. Look at that. Look at that. I love how bright and happy this shoe is. Like, I don't know what else to call it besides happy. But if you look here, it has the I guess they call it the knit posit on here. That's what this material, if you want to call it, is. It's a knit posit. It's basically an all white sneaker, and then it has its hits of colors. It starts, you know, way up here, right around the side of the toe box area. On the lateral side, it moves all the way up the back of the heel, comes around, and it gets more and more colors as you come around the back of the shoe. And as you go around the medial side, it tends to taper off again, and it ends, you know, right up there where the top of your foot would lie on the inner medial side. There you go. Now, if you're going to check out the sole, yes, I love this sole because it's green. Like, that's just it. It's bright, it's green. I love it. I know once I start wearing this shoe, this translucent portion of it is just going to be awful. I'm thinking about maybe finding something to put on it so that it could protect it a little bit on the sole. I'm thinking about that. Let me know if any of you guys buy anything to put on the bottoms of your soles so that they don't oxidize and get all dirty and grimy, and can keep that color, vibrant color on there. I saw some things, but they were like stupid expensive. So I'm trying to figure out if there's a alternate that I could rock with. Now, when you look on the lateral side, I'm gonna take y'all back to the lateral side. There is a swoosh on here. There it is. It is a backwards swoosh. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm looking at the camera, and I'm like, wait a minute. Okay, yes, it is a backwards black swoosh. On the on the midsole here, you have this white midsole with the black speckle on it, and then like it just transitions into your air bubble unit, your Air Max unit, because it's technically, I guess, I don't know if this is really considered an Air Max, but it does have that technology in it. And towards the here as well, it does have another air unit here as well. These are air units here, so it makes for a nice comfortable shoe, I'm sure. So as we move along with this sneaker, man, it has the heel tab. There's nothing really on there but like a little stitched triangle, it looks like. They have this translucent plastic part that wraps around here where this Nike is attached to, and this Nike is like a I don't know if you want to call it it's a piece. It's like a little glued on piece here, if you want to call it that. Now, what I really like about this one is how it has this, I don't know if you're familiar with the force, but it takes from that sneaker, and it has LeBron on there. Right there, you see it on there. It's bright green, of course you see it. It's underlined. It's got air, it's got air up top, and then it's got LeBron down there, where on the other sneaker it was saying like air, and then it has force down here. So that's dope. And of course you got the LeBron James signature label there on there. You see that? You see that? Yes, and black. I like this shoe. I don't know if it's the colors. I mean, I like that the sole is more of combined unit, I should say, like more so one unit together, as opposed to the 16. So that's what really attracted my eye to this. If you look on the inside of the shoe, the insole says the official shoe of LeBron James on there, on that white insole. And also wanted to show you something on the bottom. I guess you guys probably know this, but that's LeBron James' signature under there. So all around, very, very dope sneaker. It's got the white laces. It didn't come with any extra laces that I noticed, but I'm not sure with how these lace holes look that I would try to relace these. I'm not really sure how that would work out, but you know, I might go ahead and try that. But here's a nice little look, and oh, here's a little tag on here. If you see it, it says LeBron. It's the little LeBron James tag there, and it says knit posit, and then on the inner side of it, it just says force there. So that's a neat little addition to that sneaker as well. So I am actually going to give you guys an on foot of these because like I said, I never buy anything unless I like it. So you're never going to hear me say about a shoe that I get that I'm like, oh, it kind of suck, unless I get it in hand and it truly does suck. I'm going to do a review on it before I send it back, but that doesn't happen very often. So I'm gonna get out of here. Remember, it is your girl's birthday week. We are celebrating. We are celebrating. So be right here on Thursdays at 8:30. This Thursday at 8:30. We're gonna be chatting it up. Y'all gonna come in live with me. We're gonna have conversations. We're gonna have shots. It's gonna be a wonderful, wonderful time. I appreciate you all so very much. So yes, I am spending my B-Day with y'all. And I'm gonna get out of here and show y'all this dope on foot I'm about to do. I love.